Breaking news overnight, a 12-year-old girl shot and killed inside of a home in Antioch.
This morning, police are trying to find who did it. KRON 4's Will Tran is live with the latest. Will.
James Story, I'm in front of the police department waiting for hopefully somebody to come out and talk to us. But we do know at this particular point, they have not made any arrests in this particular case. This homicide took place about 5 miles from the police department. So it didn't take them very long to rush out to the scene. Let me show you a map of the location so you know exactly what we're talking about. This is on the 1200 block of Oak Haven, and it's about 2 miles off of Lone Tree. Lone Tree is a major street. It's basically their market street in Antioch, so it's right off of Lone Tree. This all happened at around 7 o'clock last night. In fact, here's video that I shot within the past hour. You can see crime scene tape at the location. It happened at one of the homes in a short distance on the 1200 block. So it's quiet right now. Obviously, a heartbreaking night for the family. We do know that when the police officers arrived to the scene, they went inside the house. That's when they found the girl upstairs with a gunshot wound. They tried to immediately give her help, but unfortunately her wounds were too much that she actually died at the scene. They shut down that area. Police officers continue to rush to that area looking for a suspect or suspects, but so far they have not been able to do so. This is the second tragedy involving a young person in Antioch within the past couple of weeks. Here's video from another scene that the police officers had to rush to. This was back on April 17th on a Saturday on Shannondale Drive. Police officers came to the scene after reports of a couple of groups getting into a fight. They searched around that area, and that's when they went inside a garage and noticed that a 16-year-old had died inside the garage. In both cases, they have not made any arrests in the cases. At this particular time, they spent all night talking to witnesses, hoping to get their hands on surveillance video. But at this point, they don't have a motive or any description to pass along to the public. Back to you.